I will share the experiment on dancing raisins. The things we require are a bottle of clear soda, 2 transparent glasses, some raisins and a bottle filled with plain water. First we will take 2 glasses. Then we will slowly pour the plain water. And we will drop some raisins to it. We will see the raisins have settled down stubbornly. Then we will add soda water to another glass. Then we will drop some raisins to it. Now look closely to the other glass filled with soda water. The raisins are slowly rising up. They swoop up gracefully and dive down and keep repeating this process. It is completely mesmerizing. Why do the raisins dance? The dented surface of the raisins are filled with little air pockets. They lure the carbon dioxide bubbles towards them, thus creating magical bubbles on the face of the raisins. These bubbles increase the volume of the raisins without raising the mass of the raisins much. So they lower the density of the raisins. When an object has a lesser density than a fluid, the object will rise up. The bubbles disappear once they meet air. Once the bubbles subside, the raisins sink down and again carbon dioxide causes bubbles to form. This simple scientific process generates a fascinating display. However, the raisins in the plain water will stubbornly sit at the bottom of the glass. Thank you.